In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate scores in Google Forms. Google Forms is a powerful tool often used for surveys, but its functionality extends far beyond just collecting simple responses. Today, we'll dive into how you can use Google Forms for educational purposes by assigning points to quiz questions and then calculating total scores. Whether you're a teacher assessing your students or someone looking to create an interactive quiz, this feature can be extremely beneficial. Let's start by opening Google Forms. You'll want to log into your Google account first for seamless access. Once you're in Google Forms, go ahead and either create a new form or open one you've previously created. For today's example, we're going to assume you're starting from scratch. On the main dashboard, click on the plus sign to create a new form. Consider giving it a relevant title that helps you easily recognize it later, something like Math Quiz or History Assessment. Next, focus on building your questions. As you add questions, remember to switch from the multiple choice option to multiple choice grid or checkboxes if needed, depending on the format that best fits your question. Now here's an important step: setting the questions to quiz mode. At the top right of the form, you'll see a gear icon. Clicking on it will bring up Settings. Move to the Quizzes tab and toggle the switch to Make this a quiz. This setting allows you to assign point values to each question. With quiz mode activated, go back to your questions. Click on your question and you'll see an option to Answer Key. Select it and you'll now have the chance to indicate the correct answers. You can also assign how many points each question is worth, allowing you to weigh questions according to their importance or complexity. Enter these values thoughtfully, considering the overall difficulty of the quiz. Another great tip while you're still in the Answer Key section: provide feedback for each answer option. Feedback can guide respondents toward understanding why an answer was correct or incorrect, enhancing learning outcomes. Once all questions are set, including points and feedback, you're almost ready to send your form. Before you do that, make use of the Preview button, which helps you visualize the form from a respondent's perspective. Through the preview, you can ensure everything looks good and operates smoothly. Finally, it's time to share your quiz. You can send it directly to email addresses, share a link, or even embed it in a web page. When respondents complete the form, Google will automatically calculate the total score based on the points you've assigned. You'll have immediate access to individual scores through the Responses tab in your form dashboard. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to calculate scores using Google Forms. I hope you find this Google Forms capability as exciting and useful as I do. Feel free to explore and tweak the possibilities as you see fit to best suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing.